senior BJP leader and Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that a wave of support for the ruling BJP in the country has started in Tamil Nadu. He was addressing a public meeting at Agasti Swaram in Kanyakumari. The United Nations has hailed India's progress in the Human Development Index, highlighting significant strides made in different parameters, marking overall development. The Election Commission will announce the schedule for the Lok Sabha polls tomorrow, that is March 16. The announcement will be made in the afternoon at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today highlighted that the current interest in the foreign direct investment inflow is at its peak and is projected to grow further. The central government has proposed a ban on the sale and breeding of ferocious dogs.